The Sāmoan words for today are lo'u and o'u. Lo'u and o'u, they both mean my, but lo'u is like if you're talking about something singular, and o'u is something like plural. Like say you're talking about a tingilima, right? A tingilima pala pala, right? And funny thing is, I always grew up just thought it was king lima papala, but reading the words is just kind of funny, getting that perspective. But anyways, if I say o lo'u a tingilima pala pala, I'm just talking about one dirty fingernail, my dirty fingernail. And you say o'u a tingilima pala pala, you're talking about my dirty fingernails. So that's the difference between lo'u and o'u, and that's how we pluralize in Samoan. Is whatever the possessive article is, that's what's used to like make something plural, not the actual like word, like putting an S at the end of it like we would in English.